Welcome, East Pointe commoners, to the third episode of Clubhouse Cooking with. That pause is for you guys to say JJ there, or the studio audience, you know, if you had one of those. Welcome to the third episode. I am here with the lovely Linda and Howard Hutchinson. I'm excited to see what they have planned for us today. Why don't you guys tell us a little bit about yourself? How long have you guys been married?
Forever. We were married in 1964.
Oh, wow.
So 50.
57.
So,
58.
Well, 58 this year.
all right, wow. So you guys have been married long enough, been alive. That's
Well,
great.
most people.
That is awesome.
You know everyone.
Retired now, I'm assuming, or you guys still working?
Somewhere
Semi.
in the gray area, working and not working.
And if I get an interior design job that comes along, I do that.
Okay,
It's
awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah.
What do you guys have planned for us today?
Would you like me to describe it? Okay.
It's the movie by Custody about dinner.
Yeah. Not breakfast or dinner. We're thinking ahead to summer, and of course today makes you really think ahead to summer. I wanted to do something that was healthy, that was easy to put together, and not too heavy, and would not heat up the kitchen, because who wants to be in the kitchen when it's hot?
Right.
So we're having something called Fish Florentine, and it comes from a website called skinnytaste.com, which I have been using for about 10 years. It's the go-to recipe
Okay.
source for the Hutchinsons. Very healthy, lots of vegetables, lots of low-fat ideas, low carbs, but still extremely tasty.
Okay.
So I think you'll like what we're doing. I'll describe what Florentine means in case you don't know, but we'll talk about that in a little while. And then for dessert, we will erase all the healthy points we got and have something called rum chocolate mousse.
Mm.
And this comes from the Joy of Cooking cookbook, which is still published. They usually upgrade it or update it every couple of years. The first edition came out in, I looked it up, 1933. Our cookbook is 1964. It was a shower gift. So, bridal shower gift. So, and I know the recipes, I'm not sure that this chocolate mousse recipe is still in the latest cookbooks, but I found it online, and I think I sent it to you, so maybe it'll get
Sent out to everybody, absolutely.
Okay, good. So it's and it's, if you're looking it up, it's Joy of Cooking Joy of Cooking rum chocolate mousse from the 1964 Joy of Cooking. So
Awesome.
that's where we are. And
All right.
it's both of these are really easy recipes, very few ingredients. They go together fast, and it just seemed like something that people who live at East Point Commons, who are very sophisticated, would like to cook.
Awesome. Well, we definitely look forward to seeing what you guys make and how it comes out, and we hope you guys will enjoy it as well.
And we hope it works.
Looking forward to it.
We're working with this new stove, which we've never used
Right.
before, so bear with us if things take a little.
Absolutely. Hey, anything can happen in Clubhouse Cooking with JJ.
Yeah, that's right. Especially JJ.
Right. All right, guys, enjoy the show.
Well, we are getting ready to cook. The first thing we'll be working on is what I had mentioned earlier, Fish Florentine, and I said that we were going to explain the term Florentine. And Howard has heard me say this, now maybe he'll.
Yeah, can you test your memory, Howard? What did she say? Well, turns out Catherine de Medici
Yes.
in the 16th century ended up marrying a French king. We're not sure which French king it was, but take it from us, it was a French king. And with it, she brought spinach seeds. Apparently, France had not experienced the joys of spinach, so she brought it along and
Let me just add, she was, of course, from Florence, which is where the
Yeah.
Florentine name comes through. But apparently France had not seen spinach until Catherine came.
And now spinach is synonymous with Florence, or Florentine. So
and good health, and we eat it all the time.
Popeye ate spinach,
That's right.
but he didn't eat. I
He
heard him mention
didn't look like,
Florentine. Did
he
he?
didn't end up the king of
No,
France.
okay.
What we're going to be doing here is have Howard kind of be in charge of the fish Florentine. He's going to start by heating and softening 1 cup of red bell pepper, which has already been chopped up into small pieces, and also 2 cloves of garlic, which he's going to show how we mince garlic, because we've got a new gadget that we really like. And once that is heated up, then he's going to add the spinach and let that wilt a little bit, and then he's going to add 2 tablespoons, and you will see this, I think, all listed on a menu. 2 tablespoons of low-fat cream cheese, some Parmesan cheese, and let me just see what else we're putting in there. Oh, a little half and half. So if you have a problem with dairy, this might not be your best choice, but maybe you could take a pill and it would be good, because you do have fish coming up. And so then, when that is all done, it can sit, and we can reheat it if we want to. We will do the fish, which is hidden here somewhere. Haven't gotten it out. We have 3. The recipe calls for 4 fish fillets. You can use cod or halibut or sea bass. This is cod, about a 5-inch piece each, skinless, that you can get at Whole Foods, and it's very good. We keep it in the freezer. It comes in individual packages, and it cooks fast, and it's delicious, and we'll season it a little bit. I'll tell you about that as we go along. At the moment, I am heating or melting 1/4 cup of sugar in 4 tablespoons of Bacardi rum. The recipe says you can do 2 to 4. We did 4. Why not? One of those little airline bottles has 4 tablespoons. And then I'm also over a double boiler melting a 1/4 pound of chocolate chips. And these are Ghirardelli chocolate chips, because I think they're the best tasting for cooking. This also is an antique. This is another one of those shower gifts that we got in 1964.
The past, right?
Avocado green was the color.
guys, in case you haven't seen, the food looks delicious, and I am sure it is delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to try this out at home. This was an exciting episode. I think they're going to be a fan favorite. And we just look forward to seeing who pops up next on the next episode of Clubhouse Cooking with this guy.
JJ. It's fun, folks. Give it a try.